Hi, it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. We're going to be opening day 14. Can you believe it? Day 14 of our Advent calendar for 2025. Let's jump down to the table and see what's inside. Okay, I've got day 14 here. I'm going to open this up. And we have another 3x3 lovely floral stamp set. This is the lily. So pretty. Trying to get it somewhere where you can see it a little clearly. And the sentiment says happy birthday. That's one you can use a lot. You've got another sentiment that says lily. So that's really pretty. You can stamp it around the flower. Yeah, day 14. We got another great stamp set. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed what we've opened in day 14. And you'll join me again tomorrow for day 15. We're more than halfway through the Advent calendar. I can't believe it. December is flying by like a flash. Before you know it, it'll be Christmas. So join me tomorrow. And until then, have a good evening and keep living the creative life.